Major indices retreat.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
Investors were left cold by some of last week's key earnings reports, and the significant October inflation advance seemed to provide additional substantiation for a year-end Federal Reserve interest rate hike. The S&P 500 lost 1.61% in 5 days, falling to 2736 at Friday's closing bell. It fared better than both the Dow Industrials and NASDAQ Composite. Last week, the blue chips slumped 2.22% to 25,413, while the tech-heavy benchmark dipped 2.15% to 72,47. The Consumer Price Index rose 0.3% last month, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This was the largest monthly gain for the headline CPI since its 0.5% move in the first month of the year. A 3% leap in gasoline prices played a significant role. Core consumer inflation, which does not include volatile food and energy costs, increased by 0.2% in October. While consumers certainly entered fall in a buying mood, even with car and truck sales factored out, the gain was still 0.7% in October, and that left overall U.S. retail purchases up 4.6% year over year. In September, retail purchases tailed off by 0.1%. The Department of Commerce first reported a 0.1% advance. Oil's fourth quarter slide continued last week. Friday, light crude oil ended the week at $56.46 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange after its price slid 6.2% across 5 trading sessions, hitting a 12-month closing low of $55.69 on Tuesday. The commodity is now on a 6-week losing streak. All right, looking ahead at this week on Tuesday, tomorrow, the Census Bureau releases a report on October housing starts. Wednesday sees the release of the final November University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, the October Existing Home Sales Report from the National Association of Realtors, the October Leading Indicator Index from the Conference Board, and a new monthly report on capital goods orders from the Census Bureau. U.S. financial markets are closed Thursday in observance of Thanksgiving, and then Friday, stock and bond markets reopen for a shortened trading session with no major economic news or earnings announcements scheduled.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagan.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.